Thomas and Kelly had just arrived at the new library site. "The wind's blowing hard," chuffed Thomas. "Too hard," frowned Kelly. "Strong winds are dangerous for a crane." The wind was blowing so hard that Jack and his friends could hardly get their work done. Kelly's crane arm didn't like the wind. "Uh-oh, this is bad." "Look out!" cried Jack. But it was too late. "Are you all right?" chuffed Thomas. "I think so, but is anyone else hurt?" "No," said Jack, "but you've demolished the shed." Soon Kelly was back on Thomas's low loader. "I'm sorry, Miss Jenny," said Kelly. "It wasn't your fault, Kelly," said Miss Jenny. "We'll get you back to the yard so the repairman could look at those wheels." "I'm glad it's only your wheels," said Thomas. "Me too," said Kelly. But he was worried. What if he fell over again and hurt someone?